Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit footer in Shopify Horizon theme. So on the left panel, once you're logged in, make sure to go and click on Online Store. You'll find yourself per default in this themes page, and this is where you want to be. As you can see, per default, I have the Horizon theme. If you don't have it, make sure to go and select this out. You can find it in the theme store. It's totally free, so you can use it. Now, all I need to do is just go and click on Edit Theme, or you may find it as Customize. Go and click on that, and you'll find yourself in the Customizable section, where you can customize header, the template, or footer. So, as I said here on the left panel, I have my footer. So I do have two sections that comes per default in the Horizon theme. I can go and click on the I section to hide any to see basically how this looks like, and you can even delete some if you don't want to see it. Of course, you can also add other sections in the footer. As you can see, a lot of things that can be added. You can even add some other stuff by your apps if you have apps that allows adding some sections. This is one of the things that you can edit in your footer. Other than that, as example, on the right panel, once you click on any of these sections, let's say example, I'm just going to click on the footer section. I do have here on the right panel other things to edit, like some like the width, the gap, some padding, even if you want to add some custom CSS. Also, if I click on other example things, the settings will change depending on whatever section you click. Of course, you can add many blocks on the layout that you added and stuff like that. More than that, you can edit other stuff, but these edits will include normally the edits of every other thing on the store. Like if you go to the left panel and click on the theme settings, you'll be able here to edit, like, an example, the colors, the typography, and the page layout doesn't have to do anything with the footer. So as you can see, you have a lot of other things to edit, but these changes will affect the whole website, not just the footer. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.